Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LocalBitcoins account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your LocalBitcoins account, start by visiting the LocalBitcoins website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the registration form with your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Click the Join button to submit your registration. Check your email inbox for a verification email from LocalBitcoins. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verification, return to the LocalBitcoins website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Here, locate the profile section to complete your account details. Fill in your full name and phone number, ensuring accuracy for security purposes. Next, proceed to the Settings tab to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to install a two-factor authentication app if you haven't already. Scan the QR code provided or enter the key manually into your authentication app. Enter the verification code generated by the app back into the LocalBitcoin site. After securing your account, verify your identity by uploading the required documents. This usually includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once submitted, wait for LocalBitcoins to review your documents. You will receive a notification once your identity has been confirmed. After approval, your LocalBitcoins account will be fully activated. You can now begin buying and selling Bitcoin on the platform. Explore the various trading options available to start your cryptocurrency journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.